Hi students, welcome to Students Learning Center Empowering Minds. Social Science MCQs Part 4. Question number 31. One of the measures for preventing coastal erosion is Option A. Construction of dams across the rivers. Option B. Restrict sand mining in coastal areas. Option C. Avoid the construction of large dams and reservoirs. Option D. Construction of high-rise buildings. The right answer is option B. Restrict sand mining in coastal areas. Sand mining is the extraction of sand mainly through an open pit, but sometimes mined from beaches and inland dunes or dredged from ocean and river beds. The next question number 32. The oldest and still existing newspaper of India is Option A. Bombay Samachar. Option B. Mangaluru Samachar. Option C. Bangalore Samachar. Option D. Mysore Samachar. The right answer is option A. Bombay Samachar. The Bombay Samachar, now Mumbai Samachar, it is the oldest continuously published newspaper in India, established in 1822 by Fardansi Marzban. It is published in Gujarati and English language. Next question. Question number 33. The port situated in the Union Territories of India among these. Option A. Kolkata. Option B. Visakhapatnam. Option C. Ennore. Option D. Port Blair. The right answer is option D. Port Blair. Port Blair on South Andaman Island is the capital city of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, an Indian territory in the Bay of Bengal. Its seafront cellular jail completed in 1906. Question number 34. When national income is divided by total population, we get Option A. Gross national income. Option B. Per capita income. Option C. Standard of living. Option D. Life expectancy. The right answer is option B. Per capita income. PCI or average income measures the average income earned per person in a given area, city, region, country, etc. in a specified year. It is calculated by dividing the area's total income by its total population. Per capita income divided by population size. Next question. Question number 35. Ashraya Yojana was implemented to provide Option A. Employment for employed people. Option B. Shelter for the shelterless people. Option C. Agricultural land for landless people. Option D. Schools for illiterates. The right answer is option B. Shelter for the shelterless people. Ashraya is an Indian non-governmental organization headquartered at Indiranagar, Bengaluru, Karnataka, India, working for the welfare of destitute children and empowerment of women. The next question. A uniform system of Panchayat Raj institutions throughout the country was established by Option A. 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993. Option B. 63rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1963. Option C. 53rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1953. Option D. 43rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1973. The right answer is option A, 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act in 1993. Bihar, after 73rd Amendment of the Constitution, enacted Bihar Panchayat Raj Act in 1993, making provisions regarding reservations for the scheduled caste, the scheduled tribes, women, and backward class of citizens. Question number 37. The account holder can withdraw, deposit any number of times in a day in this type of account. Option A, savings bank account. Option B, current account. Option C, recurring deposit account. Option D, term deposit account. The right answer is option B, current account. The current account represents a country's imports and exports of goods and services, payments made to foreign investors, and transfers such as foreign aid. A country's current account balance, whether positive or negative, will be equal, but opposite to its capital account balance. Question number 38. The National Savings Certificate are issued by option A, post offices. Option B, State Bank of India. Option C, Reserve Bank of India. Option D, land development banks. The right answer is option A, post offices. If you want to get National Savings Certificate, follow my instructions. Fill out the NSC application form available online as well as at all Indian post offices. Submit self-attested copies of required KYC documents. Now your customer, you must carry the original documents as well for further verification. Make the payment of the amount to be invested by cash or through check. Next question. Question number 39. World Consumers Day is celebrated on option A, 15th March every year. Option B, 14th February every year. Option C, 14th November every year. Option D, 15th August every year. Option A, 15th March, the right answer. World Consumers Day is celebrated on 15th March every year. 14th February is celebrated Valentine's Day. 14th November is celebrated Children's Day, and 15th August celebrated the Independence Day. So the right answer is option A, 15th March every year. Next question. The Consumer Protection Act came into force in India in the year option A, 1962. Option B, 1972. Option C, 1986. Option D, 1996. Option A, 1962 is the Defense of India Act. Option B, 1972 is the Wildlife Protection Act. The option C is 1986 is Consumer Protection Act, Arbitration and Conciliation Act. So the right answer is option C, 1986. Thank you for watching. Stay connected with us.